Hey guys, Jim Matashiv, Mihalo Kiri and Shaw, Hula May Jash Gale, go May Shivid Dollar Rash, Hon the Scholar, Fuyaru, J. Loon, Beg Shaw, Go College to Ali, August Tastogum Nak, Will Moran, Amafika, Ogov on Akas Esinta can scale, Le Clishel go May, Creek, Kinlean Cart, Curhog Hig Roddy, August May, Shivig, Kinlean, Le Kayla, is where tréimhse College to Ali, Chact, Hon Jeru, so Bon Ahan, Salt, as na seachtaí dearnach tá feadh agah agus cíim gathra ormh sa tócaí.
Hi, Jason Black. Just want to give you a quick shout out and wish you every success as you head back to school. Look, guys, a couple of quick tips at a time that's very uncertain and there's a lot of negativity around it. Stay positive, stay strong. Control the controllables that you can control, and what you can't control, just let it go. Don't let it interfere with your progress and your purpose. Have a purpose and commit to it. Be determined and put in the hard work, guys. And see every opportunity as an opportunity. See every opportunity as a potential to excel. Don't look at the finish line. Whenever I'm climbing or whenever I'm racing these crazy long distance races that are maybe 2,000 or 3,000 kilometers long, or a mountain that's up there in the distance, sometimes I can't see the summit, but I've got to believe that it's up there and it's there and I'm going to get there. And I just have to move forward with purpose, even if it's at snail's pace, which we're finding ourselves today. Just continue to move forward and trust in the system, trust in the training, trust in your own intuition, trust in your own interpretation of what you need to do. Your gut feeling will be such an important component in your everyday life at the minute. So look, stay positive, stay strong, stay well, and stay in control. Wishing you every success. Keep it going.
I heard you cuidiú an seo cluineam go sibh glárás an scoil an lún filleadh híorthal agus teastagam go an bblion seo imní go háirithe agus muid tata drá na thar teiste a galam díobh gurbé an siomhlín an bblion is fear an scoil go naimhreadh sibh uamh war garde agus an chrac so mar sin bunaí sult as an coppla mí dearna seo bíú misna agah agus éimhór ormh in san teist agus a bhar síalta a maihan seo.
Is mis nalach mechanigan agus cadé mar a taishe velig a college jalig a literature canon. It is such a pleasure for me to send you good wishes. I admire each and every one of you young people and the way you dealt with lockdown. For 1 year you lost your friends, you lost your sport, you lost your other activities, drama, debating, all of the things we would take for granted, and you have all just taken it in your stride and moved along as best you can. You've a few challenging weeks ahead. Well, let me tell you something, you'll come out of it with flying colours. You will all do fabulously well in life. The only thing that will hold you back is the limit of your own imagination. The lockdown or COVID won't stop you. You just get up, get out, give it your best foot forward, and you will do marvellously well. But truly, you are incredible. I am, as I said, full of pride and admiration for our young people here in Donegal and throughout the country. Agus Seanam gra dív a lig a literature canon. Agus goramaigat.
Hi everyone, Jason Quigley here. Just want to wish you all the very best now getting back into school. I know it's going to be a big change than sitting at home with Zoom and maybe with the pyjamas on. You're going to be in the classroom now, the teacher's going to be able to keep a close eye on you, so the best of luck with that. But now is a great time for everyone to go in now and focus, plenty of determination, whatever it is you want to go out and achieve in life, now's the time to do it. Get the head down. We've had a full year there of uncertainty and strange times, but now things are coming to the end of the tunnel. We see the light and we're ready now to go out and achieve what we want to achieve, become what we want to become in life, and don't let anybody ever tell you that you can't do it, because only you can do what you want to do in life, and when you believe it, you achieve it.
Could you want to have Donald McGrady show or RT radio na Gaeltachta agus ambassador na Gaelige Sean in the Ngal agus the Chanter in the air which good físeán. To show a scoil in Shin a Galish to alien shehu blian chenuna at in show deep shatesagum agus the story here Gagayo Shivis Pragu, and you hear him say Gagayo when Shivis Pragu Harabi, that Tashivsha Cruay, Tashivsha Ebelte, Hui Shivsha Doye Tanish Jacre, Hui Shivlish and Rail Scaliact, Yana Hakuni Kiana on, Taduchline Gulor Ella on, Agus Mushin Hain, Tashiv Gofoil Railish and Delia Gwali a her, La Warsealinshin and Scoil, Agus a Gal live, Gujin Kalashje, no could be Doy Ella, no could be Echella a Warseal. Ni heg live a war nihil a yenu. Tan tam gurage, con ye shees and chlagging, obrigi live, agus chukush mahar and tiwella, slen sawalche. Grim re agus ble out of, agus conjugi out of. Slens banacht.